Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase brightness on your iPhone. To increase the brightness from your iPhone, first of all, unlock your iPhone and then swipe down from the top right corner. This is available for iPhone 10 and later. Once you do that, you'll then open up the system panel where you'll need to look for the brightness bar, which looks like the one with a little sun icon. Simply slide up to increase the brightness, whereas to lower the brightness, you'll need to slide down. And once you do that, you should be able to increase or decrease brightness on your iPhone. Boosting your iPhone's brightness lets you see clearly whether you're outdoors or in sunlight or just want everything to shine a little brighter. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more iPhone tips. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.